Today we're gonna go to, well, we're gonna go, who's we? Right, first of all, it's Melissa's birthday weekend. Her birthday was 2 days ago, and yes, 2 days ago, and we're going to go to a getaway house. Like, I'll insert pictures here, blah blah. So this is the vibe for the weekend, cabin vibes. It's actually pretty hot in New York this weekend, which is so crazy because every other weekend has been raining, and now it's like nice weather. Like, it's 80 degrees and it's October. Anyways, I'm very excited. I have all my clothes packed. This is a 3-day cabin trip. This is what I got packed. Like, anyways, it's gonna be so much fun. We got Halloween. We have Harry Potter costumes, and we're gonna take a lot of videos, a lot of pictures. So let's go. Let's go on the ride.
Hey! Look, pumpkin, come, pumpkin's coming. Hey, gang! Oh, he just whacked me with this. Oh my god, he murdered me with this. I was talking to Michaela, and he all of a sudden like started licking me.
Oh my god.
Murdered me licking. Road trip time! Do you know what Adrian was saying about us?
What?
He said, watch, this is what you're gonna do in the cabin. He said, Michaela's gonna be on the phone talking to Smith.
Oh my god.
Melissa and me, I'm gonna be falling asleep before 10 p.m. and that person is gonna be recording me and be like, look, Melissa's dreaming. She fell asleep. That is literally what's gonna happen.
Actually, I just don't want to be on my. I don't want to be on my phone all week.
Me neither.
Weekend,
No,
so.
for sure. We're gonna definitely use the cell phone lockbox. I wanna make it really jealous, wanna make it real better. I wanna get it back. Now that we're here, what's the plan for this weekend, guys? Let's let the vlog know what we got plans.
Okay, we're gonna do some dress up.
Yes.
With our Harry Potter costumes.
Yes.
What else? We're gonna do some grill cooking.
Yes.
With our chef. Well, the chefs.
Chef.
But the fire
Instructor, chef.
coordinator, I don't know.
Firebender.
And I'm just gonna look from behind to make sure everybody's fine.
Yeah. Melissa's job is to relax.
Yeah,
Yeah.
to relax.
Yes, definitely.
And Pumpkin is gonna be our guard dog.
Yes.
Yes.
He's guarding us from the gas people right now.
Yeah, literally.
We're gonna have a little spooky night. We're gonna do
Yeah.
decorations.
I brought a projector. I don't know if it'll work.
Yes.
We'll make it work.
Yeah. Currently at McDonald's. We're getting boo baskets.
What happened?
Boo. Yeah.
Alright. 24.60.
What?
There's no kids in the car. He's probably like, what the heck?
Where the kids at? Where the kids
Here. Oh my gosh, look how cute they are, guys.
Stop! I have to record.
Oh my god, come with stickers.
Spooky, scary skeleton.
So guys, this is from Five Below.
That
It's
is
just
so
two
cool.
piece, and you just put this in there so you can take this off and like wash it. And then look, it goes in your vent. So
That's
now,
so freaking cool.
Brisleni has one, and I have one.
I feel like Selena. That's a party. Let's go. Play some throwback. Ooh, all the time of my life.
Okay. Oh, are those pumpkins? Welcome!
Ah, it makes me feel so homey.
cute.
Oh, look, they have a phone.
Oh my gosh, this is kind of creepy. P. Diddy, baby.
OMG, should I just leave the car right here?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my gosh, this is so hot.
Wait, what the heck?
Like what? Oh, the code is 4501. Sorry, Pumpkin.
I'm having a hard time opening this. Let me see what it says. Blah, blah, blah. Use keypad for 4051.
Oh, 4051.
Melissa. How are you recording this? Girl.
Did it go?
Yes. Oh my god, Melissa. Yay!
I got the second box.
It's smells like a cabin.
It's so cute.
Ulysses.
Oh my god. So cute.
Oh, happy birthday.
Oh, look, they have for the s'mores, bris.lenny.
Oh, lit.
No way.
Look at the bed.
OMG.
Absolutely
Oh my
gorgeous.
god, everything is so nice.
A 9-piece circular.
Nice. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, look for the hot chocolate.
Oh my god.
at the chocolate.
Oh, look, and bug spray wipes.
Oh,
What's
definitely
this?
is
And
not
coffee.
All right, let's get it started. Let's unpack.
Alright,
all
so
of
I'm gonna hold this while I go get the bag. Oh,
Yeah.
wait, bathroom tour?
Yes. Oh, bathroom tour.
Okay.
Wow.
This is no.
Where's the lamp? Like,
Guys,
oh, it's a timer.
we should
Like,
buy one of these.
Oh yeah, cause the hot water like runs out every certain minutes. I think every 30 minutes.
Thank God, because I remember you said not to bring
Wow.
shampoo conditioner because I did not.
Yeah.
oh, I didn't bring a body wash. Good.
God, I thought these were giant chapsticks. They
Dang.
have cards and
Oh,
books
they
for
have games.
us. How to love. Oh. Hello, welcome to Getaway. It's time to relax and unwind, nestled in the serenic nature. Take care, Kate.
Ew.
Oh my gosh, thanks, Kate.
Look at this.
Oh, it's activity guide.
Oh, oh my
Come on,
God.
pumpkin.
I'm gonna leave the camera there just for the aesthetics. And we're gonna go get our stuff so we can pack it all up.
Oh, look, guys, we can go outside with
Oh,
the lantern.
That's they left it charging for us.
That's so nice.
Let's take it.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, scared me. Follow me.
What?
Of course. I'm putting the maletas under.
Okay, yes. We did good. It was a mess at first, but now we got it.
It's actually gonna get so much cleaner too because we're gonna put this stuff in the car.
Yeah. Guys, it's so dark. Oh my gosh. Here it is.
I really love my
Oh, you got your gift?
I appreciate it.
Just open it up.
Right?
Yeah, those are so cute.
That's funny because I had bought one from TJ Maxx, but I got the official Uggs one.
Guys, Michaela did it. We got the fire started. Yeah.
I don't want to have to keep feeding it. Like, it's mad work.
I'm just taking pictures.
Relax. Just taking pictures. Just gonna take a few pictures.
I don't know what that is.
Girl, you never know my memes. Hold on.
Made the fire, ate. My eyes are burned. But yeah.
Where you guys go? Where is it? You pull this little guy out.
Oh my
Okay, let's
God.
get cute.
It's Hedwig.
Okay, close your eyes. Okay, open. Hogwarts letters! I got accepted to Hogwarts! Pull up to the school!
Wait, I don't even want to open it.
No, we can open it tomorrow. Yes.
Oh my
yes.
gosh. Oh my gosh.
I know.
What?
Thank you to actually make it like Harry Potter
This
theme.
is so sweet.
You guys are very welcome. School starts tomorrow. Obviously not bright and early because we're not morning
Absolutely
people.
not.
We're sleeping in. Okay, last thing. This is gonna go
On the toilet seat!
Oh my god!
Way.
Oh my gosh, guys. When Harry Potter went up to catch the key.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah.
Okay guys, it's almost time to go to bed. Melissa's already sleeping. Shout out to Adrian because he predicted that. And yeah, we're setting up my projector screen and putting like cute planet quiz sounds. Let me show you my crib. So I put all my clothes up here and then this is where I'm gonna sleep. Good morning, vlog. Good morning. We're making breakfast now.
Oh my gosh, it's giving warm cabin loft. What is it, lo-fi vibes?
Lo-fi cabin October vibes.
Seriously.
Period. Today we're making
Pancake.
today we're making pancakes with bacon. Later we're making what is that called? Pasta, right?
Yes.
And then the nighttime we're making tacos.
Heck yeah.
And then tomorrow I don't know what we're doing, but we're getting out of here.
Yes, Pumpkin, what do you have to say? Pumpkin, do you want, or how does that go again?
This pumpkin want.
Does Pumpkin want a head tilt? Nice.
First my coffee haul.
No.
So this, guys, look how it looks. And you,
So cool.
it's like a pouch. It's called a pour over coffee, and you pour the water into this part of the coffee, and then it's gonna brew it. Is that how it's called? Like brew or steam?
Brew it,
yeah,
yeah.
brew the coffee.
Pops, that's so cool.
Wait, and then look, they have this other handle, and then boop.
That's
Wow.
mad cool.
So cool.
Oh, let me get the tripod so we can set it up.
Let's
Okay.
pray.
Oh my
God, this one's for you. Oh my girl, shut up. Amen.
Dig in.
Here's my food. We got bacon and pancakes. And I forgot the syrup, so. But, okay.
Some pumpkin spice in the pancakes too. But
Yeah.
we got butter.
We got butter, so we're gonna butter this baby
Oh,
up.
word?
Yeah.
Butter pancakes is mad good.
Has a character. Watching the new vlog down below if y'all want to check it out. It's guys, this place is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I'm just sitting here like, bro, it smells like trees. It's so pretty. Okay, so we got late last night, so I wasn't able to show you like what the outside looks like. So let me show you. This is our cabin. We're in the P Diddy cabin. It's Michaela's car, and then this is our home. This side. It's so cool. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna set up for Melissa's birthday. I'm gonna set up like a paint and sip kind of thing. No sipping, but just painting, and then with her cake, and it's gonna look super cute. So yeah, camera down here and do a little time lapse. It's all done. So I'm gonna take out the cake and put 24 on it. We have this. We have the haku. So this is what it looks like. It looks so freaking cute. Alright, I'm gonna cut the cake and then I'm gonna bring her out here so we can see her reaction. Oh my gosh, the freaking. Yeah, bring it over. You could come out now.
Oh my god. Y'all, this is freaking cute. Stop. The aesthetic, the pink. Oh my god.
It was supposed to say happy birthday, Mel.
Oh, that's okay.
It messed up with the
That's
color.
okay. This is so cute, guys. 15 out of 10. You guys get 20 points for your house.
You're welcome. I'm glad you like it.
God, this is so pretty out here. I feel like the green complements it very well.
Yeah.
I have to take pictures near it
Yes.
before we do.
Happy birthday to you. It's a hot goal. Hot goal birthday.
Hot gold.
Hot gold. These are so cute. Hey, how y'all doing? The three
Okay,
of us.
let's do a ghost. Oh, that's so cute.
Remember the white is like run out though.
Oh
The white.
What if we use the actual thing as the white
Oh, okay.
and we paint around it?
Yes.
Why don't we all? We can all do something ghost related because it's super easy if we just draw it
Yeah.
and then.
I mean, our ghosts can be different colors too.
That's true.
Show everyone what we're gonna do. Okay. So, yeah, you guys first. That's Melissa.
That's us.
Oh.
This is me always drinking coffee.
And then I'm gonna do a pink ghost with a cowgirl hat, and I'm gonna write blue. This is my progress. This is Melissa's. Oh, look so cute with the hat. And this is Michaela's. Michaela's yours is so cute.
It is.
Oh my gosh,
Perfect.
that's beautiful. Creations. So this one's mine. Oh, sorry.
That's so funny. It looks like you're dabbing.
This is Michaela's. This is so cute. Okay, we're gonna clean up and we're gonna go to the market to get some stuff that we need.
We're gonna get actual stuff for the fire so that we're not feeding it the whole night.
Yeah.
Because we want the fire to be basically on for the whole night.
Yeah.
So